Hi friends, I'm Rohan and friends, today first of all I will discuss about match function, then I will discuss about index function, and finally we will use index and match in a combination to use it as a lookup function. So first let's see how the match function works. So friends, you can see I have a table and with three columns: ID, name and salary. First, I want to know the position of Rohan in that list. I can see Rohan is the first name in this list. Let's check it. Suppose we will write the formula using match equal to match. Lookup value is Rohan, so I will click that cell. Lookup array is that range, name range, and we will use 0 as exact match. Press enter and you can see the position of Rohan is 1. Suppose friends, if I change the name to Prapti, the position changes to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I change the name to Mohana, it changes to 4. So in this way we can use match function. Let's see how the index function works. Suppose friend, I am using the index function on this table. Let's see, equal to index. First, the array. I choose the full table as the array. Now, row number. Suppose ID is the first heading, then 1, 2, 3. So if I give 4, so it will point towards the record of Arindam, where the ID is 3 and first name is Arindam. Then I choose the column number as 2. So first name is the second column, so it will return Arindam because the row number is 4. So first row is the heading, then first record, second record, third record. So the fourth row is Arindam. If I change the row number to 5, then Mohana's record, Mohana's name will display it. Now friends, I will use index and match in a combination to use it as a lookup function. So let's see how it works. Friends, again I have the same table. So the ID 1 is given. I will fetch the value of name and salary using the index and match in combination. Suppose I will fetch the name column, so I will write the formula using index, INDEX index. Array is the name column, then row number. I will fetch the row number using match, match, where I will match the ID with the lookup values with the values in ID column. It will check the position of the ID. Then I will give the 0 as column number and finally press enter. You can see Rohan's record is fetched. If I change the ID to 5, Prapti's record will be fetched. Now friends, in a similar way, if I want to fetch the salary value, I will again type the formula using index, INDEX index. Array is salary, so I will drag the salary column. Row number, again I will use match, match. Lookup value is 5 and lookup array is this ID column, then 0. Finally I will mention the column number as 0, then press enter. And you can see Prapti's salary is 51,000 and it is displayed here. So friends, in this way I have used match, index and the index match combination. Hopefully I wish that this video will be beneficial to you, and please, if there is any problem, so don't forget to comment me or mail me in the comment box. Thank you friends, enjoy my videos.